Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. It's been a little while, but I'm eager to jump back into these projects and videos about them. Of course, I'm going to continue with 3D printing and electronics and things like that, showing the design process and going through all that. But I'm also going to be getting into woodworking. And with that, I need some new tools to go along with it. And so I picked up this new Kobalt XTR 5-piece power tool set. I'm really excited about. It's got a new hammer drill, impact drill, the reciprocating saw, new circular saw with electronic brake and a work light, as well as their high output battery. So I thought I would take a minute, do an unboxing for you guys so you can see what's inside. And without further ado, let's get started. So you can see it comes in this pretty beefy box, pretty heavy duty. You can take it with you anywhere. It's not light with everything inside, but it's got this handle that extends out. Unfortunately, the release is not on the grip, it's down here, so you have to use two hands, but you know, small things. But yeah, it's pretty solid. So let's see what's inside. Let's start off. It's got a zip tie. Let's see what's inside. Track for the circular saw. They are the smaller 2 amp hour battery. Some instructions and some other kit, I guess, for the circular saw. Handle for the hammer drill. Right there, and then we got this little tray here. A brown box. Nothing in there. Just to help with packaging. Okay, so you can see what it looks like after that. Got their new circular saw here. This thing is pretty beefy. Adjust the angle here. Track will go in here, upside down, track will go in here. There we go, tighten that down. The 24 tooth 7 1/4 inch blade for the circular saw. Charger. These batteries come with any charge. Half charge on this one, on the small one. And then on the bigger 4 amp hour ultimate output, 1 bar. So let's get these things charging. Okay. That was the tray for the circular saw and charger and battery, blade. At this point, it's empty on that side, but we still got some tools right here. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Carefully so it doesn't fall out. Okay. Put this guy down here. Still has some heft to it. It's pretty solid. Pad. Alright, let's look at the impact drill. It's pretty good size. Put the smaller battery on it, see how the weight is. It's pretty good, it's nice and balanced. Got the light here. And next, the hammer drill. That new tool smell. Let's put the battery on this one. Love how these things look. Of course, you got a lot of different torque settings on the chuck. You got drill, screw, and hammer. right here. And then 2 different speeds. This is 1, 2. Definitely has some heft to it. It's pretty solid. I love how these things look, by the way. Pretty badass. All right, next is the reciprocating saw. All right, so we got their new reciprocating saw. Kobalt brushless lineup. It's got 2 different settings here, straight cut and orbital. It's solid. It's got a nice rubber grip here, a little bit of cushion to it. Probably help absorb some vibrations. Have a lock here and unlock. And of course the tool changing right here. Slide this in and out. And this does tilt some. Okay. Last but not least, maybe least, the work light. See how bright this thing is. Oh, wow. What do you think? Oh, God. That's pretty bright. Head swivels. Almost 360. A little more than 270. Looks like it has some magnets here, so you can hang it from somewhere. Two different settings. Yeah, and also to hang it. That's pretty nice. That can work. Alright, there you have it. That is the new lineup of tools from Kobalt, their new XTR line. I think they look awesome. I think they're going to be great, and I'm excited. Of course, they're blue. It's my favorite color, so that always helps in the purchasing decision. As silly as that is. Alright, I'm going to see how these feel with the new battery as well, the bigger battery. It's not as heavy as you might think, considering how much bigger it is. But, let's see, it's a little bit wider. Not too bad though. It's more of a solid base, definitely longer. And it's black with blue buttons versus blue with black buttons. That's sound. It sounds a lot stronger with these new batteries. That's for sure. Alright, so that is the new Kobalt XTR lineup of tools. If you're interested in picking these up, I'll have a link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and I've got more projects coming up. Of course, I'm going to be using these tools, so make sure you subscribe so you know when those are coming out. And I will see you next time. Alright, thanks for watching.